Hey guys, welcome back to another shop with me vlog where basically I just go to a few different stores and share with you throughout the next week or so. So I decided to go ahead and go out today, mostly to go to TJ Maxx and stuff for filming, but I wanted to make a couple other stops, so I figured I would go ahead and do a little vlog this week. I just stopped at Chick-fil-A for a quick little, I don't know, it's like lunch dinner. It's like 3 o'clock, I haven't ate yet, so I grabbed some nuggets and a Polynesian sauce, my favorite, with the fries. I love dipping my fries in Polynesian and my nuggets, and I'm just filling up my gas tank right now. But my first stop I wanted to go to is Walmart. I want to see if they have the Profusion Mean Girls collection there. They have like a new Halloween collab. I don't think they'll have a whole lot new there because I just filmed a Walmart shop with me like a month ago, but I figured we could go check it out. My makeup's very glam today because I had a photo shoot this morning, so I've had this makeup on for most of the day. I did do a little touch up and I filmed a video for YouTube as well, but tonight we're doing TJ Maxx, so I want to be home at a decent time and not be out too late, so we'll see how it goes. But yeah, our first stop is gonna be Walmart. Alright, so I see a new Dove body wash and it smells really good. This is for winter, the Winter Care. They might come out with this every year, I don't know, but it's supposed to be good for dry winter skin. And I saw some new soaps over here for Christmas. We have Peppermint Bark Spruce, scented by Mason de Base, and then Cinnamon and Vanilla Bean and Winter Frost. And then these I wanted to share as well. I found these at my local store but didn't film them, so of course now they're sold out of the one that I got, but I'll show you guys that later. But these are the new Dr. TEALS sugar scrubs. So usually they have the salt scrubs, so I was really excited to see these. I know this brand is very popular, especially like their bath soaks and stuff. They have the cannabis hemp seed oil one with avocado, and then this is the black elderberry. They also have a rose essential oil one and the citrus, and then the one that's sold out I believe is the, I think it's vanilla or cocoa, I don't remember. This is the one, it's the shea butter and almond oil. It's definitely the best smelling one to me. They're $5.98. The other ones are kind of more herbal smelling, so I definitely recommend the shea butter one. That's probably why it's sold out, because it's definitely the best smelling, but they do also have the salt ones as well. I'm not sure if these are new too, but I thought I would mention because these pretty much match up with the scrubs, so I feel like these are new. So these are the Dr. TEALS body lotions, and like I said, they match up with the scrub, so I might end up getting this coconut oil one to go with my scrub I have. But they have eucalyptus and spearmint. These have cocoa butter, shea butter, and vitamin E in the formula. $4.97 each. Citrus, the coconut oil, the rose and milk, and then the elderberry and vitamin D. So yeah, I'm pretty sure these are new. So I'm gonna see what this one smells like and probably pick it up and see. Hopefully it's good. I found the Mean Girls collection hidden over in the body care. So these are their limited edition collections for Halloween. So it's kind of based off the movie where they have Regina George as a bunny, and you have like a little palette and some glosses. They have Gretchen with the cat ears. And then of course Karen. I don't see the prices for these. They must have literally just put these out, but I'm assuming they're pretty inexpensive since Profusion usually isn't too much. They also have this whole collection too from the entire Mean Girls set, which has like the different palettes for each girl. They have Regina, Katie, Karen, and then Gretchen. There's some lash sets. This is really cute. This little highlight palette. I do have over here in the makeup section the new Maybelline Zodiac collection, which has a bunch of new lip colors in it. I think they're sending me this, but look how pretty the Capricorn one looks. It's part of their like Super Stay ink line. It has the lipsticks and the liquid lips. Let's see. Oh, Pisces. I got a nice neutral as well. So it looks like some of the signs have a lipstick and some have a liquid lip. How cute are these pink Christmas decorations over at Walmart? They have a bunch of ornaments. I was looking for some more wall decor, shelf decor, but they don't have some of that in, but I'm all about the pink Christmas stuff. Love. Look at this cute little dog. They have this little owl and the pink truck with the dog in the back. So cute. And then a little ballerina pig. They have a lot of this like kind of boho looking stuff as well. I think this is really cute. quite a few different body care gift sets out now too for the holidays. This Crest one's really good. I love this scrub from Crest. It smells so good. It has 2 of the body wash and 2 of the soaps. And they have this soft soap shower gel set as well that has 2 of the peppermint path and then a winter berry one. That's winter walk. Really cute. I haven't tried any of those. And then this one is just some regular scents from the soft soap brand too. Shea and almond oil, juicy pomegranate and mango, and then the coconut butter scrub. Spotted some Christmas candles also at Walmart. Some of these smell pretty light, so I'm not sure how to feel. I mean, I know they're very cheap, the Mainstays brand, but there's a new Starlit Woods. I don't know if these have notes on them. The fresh baked cookies, this one smells good. It's more like a cinnamon cookie. That one seems pretty strong. Also, the Santa's Workshop is really good. I'm not really sure what it's supposed to be, but it's definitely like a fruity bakery scent. Over in the Woodwick section, these definitely have a stronger throw. They are quite a bit more expensive though, but I think these are ones that like crackle. This white teak smells like mahogany teak wood. You do get quite a bit of ounces in these candles too. It's 21 ounces, so that's a pretty good amount. They have a juniper and spruce for the holidays, and this cinnamon chai. Next up on our shopping adventure this week, we're going into Ulta to see what new holiday gifts they have and some fun fragrances. It looks like they have a couple holiday sets besides their Naked Cyber Palette for Urban Decay. I don't know if we've seen this in stores yet, but it is here. They also have this Naked 3 mini bundle that comes with the Naked 3 mini and this eyeliner. This is $35. And they have this Urban Decay Double Team All-Nighter Setting Spray Pack that has 2 full sizes for $42. I'm surprised they don't have much holiday sets this year. Smashbox has their Becca section going up here too, so it looks like they're going to be carrying their Champagne Pop highlighter all the time. I think is that the only shade? It might be the only one they're going to carry, and then the brightening concealer that everyone loves as well is going to be here too. So far that's what they're trying to set up, but yeah, Becca and Smashbox now is a thing, I guess. I'm curious to see if they'll have more products though. They have lots of new perfume sets too. Look at this little mini Burberry Her collection. That is so cute. I don't know if they have the prices on these yet. Unfortunately, they have the cute Victor Rolf Bonbon little mini. That's adorable. I love this fragrance. This Festive Favorites from Philosophy is new. We'll probably see this at TJ Maxx next year. We always see their sets. This Philosophy Fresh Cream Warm Cashmere set is pretty good. It comes with the full size and a mini for $39. I love that fragrance. They have a little Valentino set that has the Born in Roma, which I love, and also the Voce Viva, I think it's how you say it. And the Carolina Herrera Good Girl set that has the regular, and then this is the Very Good Girl for $30. So a lot of cute little mini perfume sets. This Clinique set is really cute too. It has like all of their signature scents. I always wanted to get the Cookies and Kisses one. This is $80 about. It says $150 value, but it comes with 6 different fragrances. And this Perfect Marc Jacobs set has a mini of the original and the Intense. I recently picked up the Intense because I feel like it's a little bit sweeter. I love that all the brands are coming out with intense versions now, so that's really cute. They also have the full collection of the Wet n Wild Sanrio. I don't know the names of these people, but I always thought this Cotton Candy Clouds palette was really cute. They've been doing a lot of limited edition sets lately. I've tried quite a few of them, but I kind of stopped buying them for now because it just gets a bit overwhelming, but I will say this is really cute. I think it's called Twinkle Star. Here they have a little holiday body care set up with the new Tree Hut scrubs. I was wondering when these would hit the stores. I need to get the full-size Candy King because I only have the small one. And then the Sugar Plum Berries. This one smells like Sweet Tarts. They have the Trio as well. This one is $14.99. This Hemp's little house is so cute. It comes with 6 minis of their fragrances in the new Peppermint Vanilla Swirl. They also have this little truck set. These are so adorable. This must be their new holiday scent, the Fresh Snowberry and Vanilla Cream. They also have the Peppermint Vanilla Swirl. It has these little jingle bells on it. This set I picked up online with some new scents. It has a cherry almond shortbread and a gooey butter cookie cake. I still need to try those, but it sounded really good. And then the whipped marshmallow mint is also new. First Aid Beauty also has these little Intense Hydration Ultra Repair creams you could use as like a hand cream because they are small, but the vanilla cookie smells so good. There's also a sugar plum and then candy cane, and I'm not sure what this one is supposed to be, but I really want to get that. That smells amazing. I wish they had a bigger size. This is cute too, from Kopari, Champagne Cheers Mini Coconut Melt and Lip Glossy for the holidays. This is $23. And this Fresh kit is really cute too, with the rose face mask and sugar face polish. I believe these are deluxe sizes for $35 as well. This Briogeo kit looked really good as well. It's a tropical hair-dice for the holidays. This is the banana and coconut. There's a soft wave texture spray that's brand new. I've never heard of this. I really want to try it, so I might put this on my wish list. And it also has the nourishing shampoo and conditioner with the banana and coconut. This is $35. I think that's an awesome deal. My store did have the new Too Faced Christmas in London collection here, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and pick this up and probably do a video on it. They also have the new BH Doja Cat collection here. I think last time I was in, I didn't have this yet, but there's a little blush trio. There's a eyeliner. There's supposed to be a mascara, and then the Mega Doja Cat eyeshadow palette too, which has 36 shades all here. This Morphe Ashley Strong collection is actually new as well. I really like the color scheme of this one. It's very fall, like smoky tones with all the greens in there. And then there's this cake liner palette for eyeliner. You could use like wet your brush and use that. This is $22 for the Ashley Strong palette. It looks like there's a lip duo as well that sold out. I made a stop at Victoria's Secret to see if they had their holiday scents out. They do for pink, they have a few. I'm really liking the Warm and Cozy Sugared. It's a little bit different than the original, not too much different. The Fresh and Clean Frosted is pretty decent as well, but very similar to the original. And then I did like the Fizzy Peach. I thought that one was pretty good. A really pretty scent. And then the Berry Glitz they have as well. So that's just a few of their new ones. They sent them out all here for the holidays. I'll have to go see the other side and see if they added the Victoria's Secret stuff yet, but I'm thinking about getting the Warm and Cozy Sugared. Although I know these will be on sale in December, so we'll see. Maybe not. Maybe I'll wait till then. But this one's probably my favorite. The notes are sugar plum, cozy vanilla, and frosted mistletoe. This honey cranberry is also pretty good. I think this is new. It smells kind of similar to frosted cranberry from Bath & Body Works, but they have a lotion in that, and also this scrub as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed my little shopping adventures. I do have a haul here that I do want to share for you of what I bought at Walmart and I think Ulta. Hopefully you guys liked the video because I feel like it was a little bit all over the place. It was kind of hard because I had to keep going back multiple days to the stores to see if there was anything new since I do these so frequently. But it seems like every month or so there's always a few new things to find. So I ended up getting quite a few scrubs actually from Walmart. The only thing I bought so far is actually the Dr. Teal's new Shea Sugar Scrub, the Shea Butter and Almond Oil. These just came out. I did not end up getting the lotion just because I have so many lotions. I don't go through them as fast, so I was like, okay, let's just get a scrub to try out. It has shea butter, sweet almond oil, and macadamia seed oil. It smells really sweet and delicious. It almost has like a fruitiness to it, which is kind of weird. But I feel like the lotion did not smell as good or as strong as the scrub does. But I cannot wait to try this and see how it is on the skin. I feel like the consistency kind of looks similar to the Tree Hut, so I feel like that would be what it's similar to. But I'll definitely try this out and let you guys know. But yeah, if you guys want to check out those new Shea Sugar Scrubs from Dr. Teal's, they also have salt scrubs too. And then I did end up getting some of the Tree Hut new scrubs as well. So I did get the full size of the Sugar Plum Berries that looks like this. I think they might have had these out last year too, but I mostly got into these this year, so I really didn't have a big collection. This one to me smells like Sweet Tarts candy. It literally smells sour. It even has like that almost powdery dusting that they have on the candies. But yeah, this is super sour. Oh my goodness. Literally like Sweet Tarts. It's making my mouth water because it's so sour, but it's good. I can't wait to try it in the shower, but I don't know if it's something I would like stock up on, but it's fun to have for the holiday season. And then this one I need to get the full size of. They didn't have it at the time that I bought this, but now they do, and it smells so amazing. It's the Tree Hut Candy Cane Scrub. So I think this one comes out every single year. Oh my goodness. This is white with little red specks in it. So good. It smells like Twisted Peppermint from Bath & Body Works, like that sweet, creamy, almost vanilla and peppermint. It is so delicious, so I definitely need the full size of this one, or I could just keep buying the minis maybe if I'm gonna buy them like every year, because they probably come out every single holiday, but you can now get these at Ulta. And then the last thing that I picked up is from the Hemp's brand. I had to try this because it sounded amazing. It's the Cozy Up and Get Baked limited edition mini moisturizer. So I wanted to see what these smelled like. So we have here the cherry almond shortbread. These are really small, so I don't know if I would necessarily recommend this. It'd be better if they had a full size. This smells so good though. I get more cherry than almond. It's like a fresh cherry, so it's not like super syrupy or anything like that. But it is pretty. It feels the same texture as their other Hemp's moisturizers, but yeah, it's really good. I would have liked to see this have a little bit more warmth or more almond to it, but it's a nice scent. And then we also have here the Gooey Butter Cookie Cake. This one is really strong. It's like spicy almost like pumpkin spice vibes. But I would consider this a spice cake. It's not really a vanilla cake to me. I don't know if I love it, but it's so strong though. Smells okay. I would say for these, I don't think it's necessarily something you have to run out and buy, especially for these little sizes. I just was very curious about these scents. I wish they would make more kind of gourmand scents all year round in their full-size moisturizers, because that's, I feel like, what a lot of people really enjoy. But yeah, I don't know, I would probably pass on this set. It's like okay. Also, one more thing I did buy. I already reviewed this and I almost forgot, but I did buy it during this trip. The Too Faced Christmas in London collection. Also something I would probably pass on. I reviewed all my Too Faced stuff and this just did not make the cut for me. It's the typical cardboard packaging, not very good quality, not very much pigment. The blushes are pretty good in here, but I would probably pass on this one as well. I think I'm going to be returning this to the store. I was just curious and testing it out and seeing if Too Faced kind of improved their quality on some of these items, but I definitely prefer the tin package one. So I think I'm done buying these, even though they're so cute. I couldn't resist trying it out. I've been reviewing so much of their stuff, so it was nice that I could include it in like a big overview of the Too Faced holiday stuff, but I would probably skip on this one even though it is really pretty gorgeous packaging. It just does not live up to the hype of Too Faced quality. Definitely prefer like their cinnamon swirl palette, I think it is, or their mini ones like the forbidden fruit cake. So that is it for this kind of shop with me vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you like these, if you guys want to see more. I've been kind of including a few stores in one lately rather than doing just one store, just because it's, I don't know, there's more to see. I can do them more frequently that way, because sometimes it takes like a couple months for Walmart to update their whole collection, or Target to get all their new stuff in. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.